Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing Fuzzeez and Once Upon a Craft gifts. Today I'm unboxing these with my sister. We got these gifts 50% off at the 99-cent store. The Once Upon a Craft box includes 2 crafts filled with materials and a story about Rapunzel. Ratings for these products in the description below. The Fuzzeez kit comes with a template, some wool, pom-poms, and some other things for this kit. Fuzzeez kit also includes a catalog for the instructions to make this. I will now start by taking a look at all of the things I have and taking a look at the first few pages of the catalog. Now creating the solution by taking a bottle of water and filling it with 3 drops of dish soap. It's important to add the dish soap because it helps put the fur together and it's like glue. I am now adding the spray into my bottle so then I can use it to spray on the fur. The pom-poms are used to put inside the belly and head. I will now begin by taking the yellow felt and then pushing it in with the black eyes. And then I start by poking it into the fur. I have this little piece and I'll do the same for the other eye. Then we have the same steps for the nose. prepare these to get started with the body. But I would like to first explore the tail. So I'm taking pieces of purple fur or wool, and then I'm separating them about 2 or 1 centimeter apart to create a pattern, and then on top I will add the white fur on top of everything. I then also spray some of my solution to put it together and get it very wet and soapy. If you're struggling to know how to spray it, there's actually a cap. You just take it off and you start. Here's a warning, this is very messy, so have a good table to do this because the situation gets really wet, and I'm not joking. For me, it was a hard time to keep the table non-wet. Let's take a look at my sister's crafts. Here is the set to making a tower. It has also foam stickers so you can decorate your tower. It is easy to build and put together.